Look at the board please. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Introduction to adverbs. You know what adverbs are? Look at the word. You know, adverbs are words that modify the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another. They bring changes in the verb, an adjective, or another adverb. That's what it's saying. He drove slowly. What is the verb? Drove. Drove is the verb, and it's this word is bringing change into drove. Clear? It is modifying the meaning of drive, drove, driven. Clear? So modify the verb drove. Clear? Usually they end with ly. Clear? Next one, another example. She moved quite slowly down the aisle. Clear? So that is moved with the verb, and this is the adverb changing.
Move and move.
No, not at all. No, this is the adverb. Hold on. Modifies the adverb slowly. Clear? Quite is the adverb. Adverb modifying another adverb. Clear? Quite is adverb modifying another adverb. Clear? So that is modifying slowly. Ali runs quickly. Again, this is modifying and runs. Clear? This is very sweet mango. Hold on. Making, I think very is adverb, and bringing changes in sweet, that is adjective. Clear? It is changing in, bringing change in adjective. Aslam reads quite clearly. Quite is again adverb, bringing changes in clearly. Clear? Adverbs give more detail about actions, qualities, or other adverbs. They give more detail about actions, qualities, or other adverbs. Clear? Next one, they are essential in making sentences more specific. They make the sentences more specific, make them more particular. Types of adverbs include adverbs of time, frequency, place, manner, and degree. You have already studied in previous classes. Clear? And as you know, adverbs help answer questions like how. This is the point to be noted. When, where, and to what extent. It means there are 4 kinds of questions that adverb answers. How, when, where, and what extent. One by one. Who will tell me what kind of questions adverb answers? Yes, you.
How, when, where, and to what extent.
Yes, you. What kind of question adverb answers? Hurry up, be quick. To what extent? You.
How, when, where, and
To. Yes, you.
how, when, where, and to what extent.
To what extent? Well done. So adverb answers question how, when, where, and to what extent. This is the point to be noted down if you want to. Clear? It must be in your mind. Remember it. Clear? In exercise, they will be helpful to you. Helpful in identifying the adverbs. Adverbs can be used to change the meaning of a sentence entirely. They entirely change the meaning of a sentence. Some adverbs are made by adding ly to adjectives. When we add ly to adjectives, they become adverbs. Clear? Let us explore the different type of adverbs. Clear? Next one is adverbs answer question when. It tells us about the timing of an action. For example, I have heard this before. When I heard it before is telling us the
Adverb of time.
that is adverb of time. Clear? So it answers question when. Where we shall now begin to work. When shall we begin to work? Now. Clear? So now is the adverb of time. Next one. He called a few minutes ago. How many minutes ago he called? So what is few? Adverb of time. The end came soon. When did the end come? Soon. Soon is the adverb of
Time.
well done. Wasted time never returns. When
Never.
did the wasted when did the waste time never return? It's never, I think so. Never return soon?
Yes.
It's never. Never is the it's frequency adverb basically, and it's you can say adverb of time as well. Clear? Next one, common adverbs of time include now, then, soon, always, never, before, after, and they are used to indicate frequency or moment of an action that occurs. Clear? They are sometimes frequency as well. Can be used at the beginning or end of a sentence. So adverbs can be used at the beginning or at the end of sentence. When I say immediately get ready for study, immediately get ready for the study. So immediately is an adverb. Get ready for study immediately. It is used in the end. Sometimes we use them in the beginning, sometimes we use them in the end. Depends on the speaker. Clear? Time adverbs often answer questions like when did it happen, key to understanding the sequence of events in a story. So they are the key to understanding. Where do we use them? We use them for the sequence of events in the story. Clear? And we were telling a story, then it happened, before that, after this, like this. Clear? After a few minutes. Clear? That's how we tell the story. Time adverbs help in setting the context for an action, background of an action. Clear? They help in setting the context of an action. Next slide indicates how regularly or frequently an action occurs.